What is the difference between aggression and self-defense in IHL? Imagine a situation where one country suddenly attacks another without warning. That's what we call aggression. It's when a state uses force unlawfully against another's sovereignty or territory. Under international law, specifically the United Nations Charter, aggression is considered a serious violation. It involves initiating armed conflict without a legal reason. This act triggers what is called the jus ad bellum, which is about the legality of going to war. Now, picture a different scenario where a country is attacked first. The country then responds to protect itself or its people. This is known as self-defense. It's a lawful right under the same United Nations Charter, specifically Article 51. Self-defense allows a country to use force only if it faces an armed attack or an imminent threat. The response must be necessary and proportionate to the threat. It also needs to be reported immediately to the Security Council. In terms of international humanitarian law, which focuses on rules during armed conflicts, the main concern is how force is used once fighting begins. IHL does not decide whether the initial use of force was legal. That's the job of jus ad bellum. Instead, IHL governs how wars are fought, protecting civilians and limiting the means of warfare. The key difference is that aggression is an illegal act of starting a conflict. It's the act that triggers the need for legal action and sanctions. Self-defense, on the other hand, is a legal response to that act. It's a way for a country to protect itself within the limits set by international law. To sum it up, aggression is the unlawful initiation of force. Self-defense is the lawful response to such an attack. When a country acts in self-defense, it must follow rules of necessity and proportionality. This helps prevent unnecessary harm and keeps the conflict within legal boundaries. So, in the context of international humanitarian law, understanding this difference helps clarify what actions are justified and what actions violate international rules. It's about ensuring peace and security while respecting the rights of states and civilians during times of war.